If you're looking for a professional 3D CAD software to design houses, floor plans, or interior layouts without paying monthly fees, then this video is for you. Today, I'm reviewing Ashampoo 3D CAD Professional 11, which is available right now on Stack Social for a lifetime license at a huge discount. Let's dive in. Ashampoo 3D CAD Professional 11 is a powerful home and building design software. You can create 2D blueprints, turn them into realistic 3D models, and plan everything from walls to furniture, all in one place. This software is perfect for architects, interior designers, builders, home planners, DIY home renovation lovers. Here's what makes this software special: professional wall and floor editing. You can easily modify walls, copy entire floors, or even move buildings between projects. Autosave and error checking. No more losing work. Autosave protects your designs, and built-in floor plan analysis helps prevent mistakes. Precise numerical input. Enter exact measurements for walls, doors, and windows for perfect accuracy. Huge 3D object library includes 250 plus ready-made object groups like kitchens, garages, gardens, and saunas. 2D and 3D design modes switch between clean 2D plans and realistic 3D views anytime. Even though it's a professional CAD tool, the interface is beginner-friendly. Helpful assistance, context menus, and built-in help guides make learning much easier. Normally, Ashampoo 3D CAD Professional 11 costs around $100. But right now on Stack Social, you can get the lifetime license for around $19 up to 93% off. Now let's talk pros and cons. Pros: professional level features, accurate planning tools, massive object catalog. Cons: Windows only. If you want a powerful yet affordable CAD software for home planning and interior design, Ashampoo 3D CAD Professional 11 is absolutely worth it, especially at this lifetime price. Check the link in the description to grab this limited time lifetime deal on Stack Social before it's gone. If this video helped you, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves design and planning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.